upon a time in a nursery rhyme, there were three bears. 1, 2, 3. One was a papa bear, one was a mama bear, one was a wee bear. They all went out a-walking in the woods. They were talking when along came a little girl with long golden curly hair. Know who she was? Yeah, her name was Goldilocks. Up on the door she knocked. Knock again, Goldie. Well, no one was there. Yeah, no one was there. So she walked right in, had herself a ball. 'Cause she didn't care, no one was there. Soon she got sleepy, went to bed upstairs. Home, home, home came those three bears. Someone's been eating my porridge, said the papa bear, said the papa bear. Someone's been eating my porridge too,